is. How big is that, Matt? Anything's good with me.
Lost it.
What?
Lost it.
Hey, wave to the camera. Oh, that's a red. Ooh, this is a keeper. It's a pretty one. 23. You got one? Yeah, you do. Everybody's hooked up. Look at these birds. They're flying low on the water. Yep, it's on. Yeah. It's a black, oh, it's, yeah, black drum. Yep. Yeah. It's a redfish. Yep, 16, 17. Got one? Yeah, buddy. He's on there.
Ooh, now you're on it.
Now he knows. Ooh.
Black drum.
Sounds like a good one. Watch out, your bait bucket might flip behind you. Yeah, it's just tilted. I don't know if it's in there pretty good. That's good. That's a sheepshead, man.
Is it?
Yes. Those are one of the best. That one and the flounder are the top two most people would say best eating.
Right back?
Yeah, it's got to be 12. It looks good. Measure them just to be sure. Those are the ones that are toughest to catch. Nice job. Secret. That could be. Yeah, don't put your finger in the mouth. The big fish will bite through hooks. And watch out for their fins. They got those sharp fins that'll get you. They're not poisonous or anything though, they're just sharp. Man, that's a nice one. No way. No way. Awesome. Fish in hand. It's pulling you. It's pulling you. That's got to be a red.
Oh,
Hey, I might be on your line. Am I on your line? Okay, I just casted. That's funny. Look at Josh. I applaud you, my friend.
Roll. Damn.
Yeah. I was wondering what you were doing. Oh, it's a fish. I hope it doesn't.
Exactly what I didn't want. I'm gonna take home and mount it.
Man, I hope it doesn't cut the line on anything.
Perfect. I caught this on like a tiny piece of shrimp.
Is it another sheephead?
No, it's a big redfish.
Because the sheeps fight like that too. You getting tired? He's getting tired.
What is it? I don't think that's big enough, dude. I get too much going on.
Oh! Jighead. Yes! That's a keeper.
Big red.
Yes, that's a keeper.
Alright. Well, the good news is you can't catch another fish right now.
You landed both. You have a high efficiency rate here.
I caught that, there's like that much shrimp left on my hook.
Little tiny piece.
Yeah, no weight. Look at that, see?
That's another big red as well.
You gonna pinch these things together too?
Well, I reached my limit.
This one is extremely close.
Whew. Look at that. It's way down there. Whatever it is, it swallowed it. It's a 22. What's your company called?
Stone Dead Ink.
Huh?
Stone Dead Ink.
Stone Dead Ink.
Most of it's waterfowl.
Okay.
They recruited me because I do other stuff.
Yeah.
Duck hunt. But actually, that's what my taxidermy name is. I
Okay.
advertise a lot of taxidermy through our company there. We sell like duck calls and stuff.
Yeah. Do you guys make the duck calls?
Yeah. We've only got about 2 years in building.
Yeah.
We got one of like this hat I'm wearing here. I got a wear when we go hunting because they're our sponsor. Hardcore Deacon. We got a couple sponsors.
Okay. That was a hook set. Oh, look at that rod.
Oh, it's an ugly stick, boy.
Yeah. Go for it. Uh-oh. You better not have another one.
You got another one. What? Yeah. Looks like it. Unless you hit the rod.
That's gonna catch me one. It's a good thing you got drag. I hope it's a sheepshead. Because they fight really well too. Now you do have to. I love it. I love it.
No, I think this one got off.
Is that or he swam towards you? Because your line is slack.
Oh, it's still moving, dude.
Well, the line is slack, so I don't know.
That's another big redfish, isn't it?
Oh. Oh. Red. He is on? He is on. Alright, Josh, you're the man. I can see why that company wanted you. Oh, never mind. Sabotage. There's got to be a fish on there still. Watch out your reel. Your reel's in the water. Hey Josh, Matt does this all the time. I have a little video on mine. He comes over here. His anchor's not holding, so he ties up to my boat. And my anchor's just doing fine. And he does this. Is it on? Yeah, he was resting. Were you really? Sheepshead! That was behind you? Oh, I'm going there.
Seen doubles before.
So you doubled up twice. Nope, not a coincidence. Ooh, there's the other one. Yeah.